Hi, I'm Sienna Kaufman with New Home Lifestyles. We're showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're in Las Vegas, Nevada with Pulte Homes, taking a look at the Bellano at Lake Las Vegas. We're going to be touring the Silver Creek plan. Let's get started.
Welcome to Bellano in Lake Las Vegas. Today we will be touring home site 48, which is located at 44 Via del Fiume, Henderson, Nevada 89011. What I love about Bellano is that we're perfectly situated across from the Lake Las Vegas clubhouse, which offers a pool, fitness center, even massages, spa-like activities, fun and recreation for the whole family. As we walk up to our Silver Creek floor plan, this home is 1828 square feet and features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a den. As you can see, we have larger, wider hallways to give it a more open feel as you first approach the home. Bedroom 2 in the front of the home. With spacious closet. Comes complete with a ceiling fan wire. Our second bathroom, Pedrofina counters, upgraded cabinet, flooring, and even a large walk-in shower with decorative tile surrounds. We also have a linen closet, coat closet for more storage. Here's our den, open, large windows, very modern look. Can lights added, as well as pre-wires for light fixtures or ceiling fan. We get great comments about our laundry room space and how large it is. You've got your pre-wire or pre-plumb for a laundry room sink. Got your laundry room shelf and plenty of space for others. 2-car garage, finished. Automatic garage door opener, timer for your landscaping, and a nice window to brighten everything up. That's also a water softener over there and a tankless water heater. Moving back into the house, everyone's focal point, the kitchen, which overlooks the great room. Comes complete with quartz countertops, pendant lights, a chef package kitchen appliance in stainless steel with a built-in oven, microwave, canopy hood, and cooktop. This home also comes complete with a refrigerator, a nice large window to let in natural light while you're cooking and entertaining, upgraded flint color cabinets in maple. And as we pan out to the great room area, you can see how perfect this home is for entertaining. Cafe. Gathering room, complete with floor outlet, plasma TV pre-wires, ceiling fan already installed. As you step outside, concrete patio, and also a nice large covered patio area, complete with can lights and ceiling fan pre-wires. Yard is ready to have landscaping put in. Anything that you can imagine can be put in back here, from a pool, artificial turf, additional rocks. Making our way back into the home, we'll take a look at the owner's suite. All of our homes are built energy efficient with blown-in insulation in the exterior walls and roof trusses, tankless water heaters, post-tension cabling, 15 SEER rated air conditioning units, and more. This is the owner's suite. Spacious, large, nice open windows, letting in a lot of natural light in. We turn to the owner's suite bathroom with a large walk-in shower with seat, again with decorative tile surrounds, dual sinks, raised vanity, Pedrofina counters, flint color upgraded cabinets in maple, large walk-in closet, water closet, and once again additional storage for linens or any of your bathroom needs. Thank you for touring the Silver Creek floor plan in Bellano at Lake Las Vegas. Please visit our sales office at Verena for more information regarding this home. We're open 7 days a week from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Again, this home is 1828 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and priced at $419,16. We'll see you in Lake Las Vegas.
To learn more about this new home, check out the link below. Be sure to keep tuning in for more new home showcases.